preparing, as we bury, as we bury, as we bury. I almost gave up on my dream when every door stayed closed. People said, maybe it's not your time, but God was writing another story. I planted seeds with tears, not knowing what tomorrow held. Now every sunrise reminds me His promises never fail. When my strength ran out, your mercy carried me. When my words were gone, you heard my silent prayer. As we bury, as we bury, every morning, new mercy, every season, new favor. As we bury, I know what it's like to smile while you're breaking, to encourage everybody when you're the one needing hope. I prayed with empty pockets, I worshiped through the pain, and somehow God always made a way. Kananda chema, munondi bukuta, kananda neta, munondi simuta. Who made a way? Who opened doors? Who healed your heart? Who deserves the praise? As we bury, even in the valley, you are faithful. Even on the mountain, you are faithful. You are faithful. Even on the mountain, everybody sing. Hallelujah, hallelujah, Father, thank you for every prayer you answered, and every prayer you're still preparing. I didn't understand why you said wait. Now I see your timing saved me. Bless every mother, bless every father, bless every child searching for hope. Bless the unemployed, bless the broken, bless the lonely. Let them know you are near. As we bury, as we bury, even in the valley, you are faithful. Even on the mountain, you are faithful. You are faithful. Even on the mountain, everybody sing it. As we bury, as we bury, as we bury, forever, 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 forever. When I had nothing, you were enough. When I lost hope, you became my hope. When I couldn't pray, you understood my tears. When I almost walked away, you never walked away. Almost walked away. You stayed, you stayed, you stayed, you stayed.